Hello, here I will be showing the SAP document and reporting compliance functionality for Vietnam, specifically the eDocument cockpit transaction and its features. I would like to make some comments about the country regulation first. In Vietnam, we have web service providers that are intermediaries between the GDT, that is the Vietnam Tax Authority, and the companies submitting billing documents for approval. So the process is divided in two parts. First, the web service provider will perform all the validations and checks on behalf of the tax authority, and if the document is approved by them, then they will assign an official document number and digitally sign and send the document to the GDT. In a second step, they will request the CQT code, that is the authorization code for the billing document, and they will make it available for the company to obtain it. This CQT code must be printed in the form or the PDF. I will be creating an invoice in the standard transaction BF01, and once the billing document is created, it will be posted automatically and it will be sent to the eDoc transaction in the created status. So I'm going to enter here BF01. I already have a delivery number just for the billing. I'm going to click on save. Our billing document is going to be this one. And now I'm going to enter the eDoc cockpit transaction and select the Vietnam documents. For the presentation purpose, I will submit it manually, but it can be done automatically with the eDoc background transaction. That is where we can configure our background shops for every action available in the cockpit. And to the right, we will see specific fields related to Vietnam that are going to be filled with the different functionalities we are going to run in here. Okay, so as I mentioned before, in the first step, we are going to select the document and just submit it. One important comment here is about the communication. All the outgoing communications to the web service provider are done through CPI, the same way other full solution work. The first successful status that we have here is the accepted by GDT status, and it is in yellow. By this time, the web service provider has performed all the validation and checks and returned the official document number. In our case, it is number 14, and it is here. Well, this is updated in the specific country table, and we have another fields that are updated too, like the pattern that is a fixed value for the e-invoice, and we have the serial here. The serial is a mix between the year of the document, in this case is 22, and the last two characters here are related to the sales organization. And well, we have the reference here, the reference field, that it is made up of two parts: the serial at the beginning and the official document number at the end. And so something important here is that this reference number is also updated in the billing document and in the accounting document, in the reference field for those documents. Well, the second step, it is going to be the action of getting the status, asking if the CQT code was already assigned by the tax authority or not. We are going to select the line and just click on the status button. Well, as you can see, we have our first green here, and that is the status accepted and CQT updated. The CQT code could be seen in the country specific field here, and it's this long alphanumeric code. Well, an important thing here is that with this new status, other functionalities are unlocked in the cockpit. such as the display PDF. I'm going to click on display and display PDF. Well, this is our Adobe form and the legal representation of the document. It complies with all the country-specific rules, and it has a mixed language, English and Vietnamese for all the fields. English and Vietnamese. Okay, and important things here are: this is the security code, the seller information, the buyer information, the item level information with the tax rate at item level, this could be 10 or 8%, the totals, and well, the signing and the signature at the end. I'm going to return to the cockpit, and we also have the display functionality available now. That is here, display preview XML. And well, this XML has all the signing part here, and at the bottom it has the security code, that is our main important field. And well, then you have the print option too available in this case. And finally, the other action that we can perform with this status is the send to customer functionality. So we have to select and just click on customer, send to customer. Well, this email will attach the XML and the PDF, just following the Vietnam regulation too. We also have other standard functionalities here. In more, we have the cancel and the delete eDocument functionality. And we have in GoTo the application log and the interface log to see and troubleshoot the errors that could happen, and of course the history of this specific document, where we can download the request XML and the approved XML too. Just I'm going to select the line and go to history. Here, if I select one of these lines and just click on export, I'm going to be able to download any of these files. Well, we have covered all the different aspects and features for the SAP document and reporting compliance for Vietnam. Thank you for watching.